morning, I'm Chris Missick with Bellangelo on the west side of Seneca Lake, and we're here on September 15th. It's our first day of harvest, and we're here harvesting Pinot Noir. This is the Tuller Vineyard. This is just a few miles north of the winery, and I think this varietal and this site really is a window into our philosophy. Now, the last time we made a still red Pinot Noir wine in the Finger Lakes at our winery was 2012. It was a fantastic year. Warm temperatures, beautiful ripe fruit. In 2013 we made rosé, in 2014 we made sparkling, and here we are again in 2015 after a beautiful warm stretch of 90-degree weather, a little bit of rain to help push ripening along. We're looking at a site that has some really wonderful fruit, some really great numbers, and I think it's going to end up making a fantastic Pinot Noir. So we're really excited about this vintage. It kicks off. It's about 58 degrees here this morning, so a little crisp, but the sort of temperature we'd want to be bringing fruit in at. And I think we're looking at what will be a really sort of landmark vintage for especially red wines in the Finger Lakes if the temperatures we've had continue. So one of the things that we did this year that is really exciting with the Tuller Vineyard is we separated out each different clone that John has planted on the site of Pinot Noir. And we're taking these separate clones and we're going to be fermenting them separately so that we can figure out which clonal selections we like best, which one is doing best in that location and producing wine that we really like. We're doing this also with an eye towards propagating those vines in the future. So taking selections, cuttings, grafting them onto rootstock and planting them in some of the future Bellangelo sites as well. So what we have now is different lots, lots of different lots fermenting, just starting fermentation actually. And you can see the grapes have been crushed, they've been destemmed, we have the must, and we'll be doing some punch downs in just a little bit. But it's a pretty exciting process, and I think that what we're doing in terms of this extra effort to separate out these clones, to look at the different flavor profiles we're getting from this specific site is going to only lead to producing much better wines, specifically much better Pinot Noir in the future.